Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh. Now we are moving on to Dammah. This is Dammah, the Harakat. Do you know that before we have learned Fatha and Kasra, now we are in Dammah. This is the introduction. Now let's start. You see this small curve above the alphabet is called Dammah. You can see it Dammah. Dammah, you can see it on top of the alphabet. Now let's explain it one by one. The rule is easy. Every letter with Dammah is read with the sound U. You can see Alfun Dammo U with the sound U. Now let's begin. Repeat after me. Alfun Dammo U. Alfun Dammo U. Baum Dammo Bu. You can see the sound Bu. Town Dammo Tu. Town Dammo Tu. Town Dammo Tu. Sound Dammo Fu. Jimun Dammo Ju. Haun Dammo Hu. Haun Dammo Hu. Dalun Dammo Du. Zalun Dammah Vu. Ra'un with Dammah Ru. You can see the sound are very simple. U, Bu, Tu, Fu, Ju, Hu, Hu, Du, Vu, Ru. Now let's go. We see more examples. This is the Dammah. You can see this is the Dammah. This is Fatha, Kasra, Dammah. Zay Fatha, Za. Zay Kasra, Z. Zay Dammah, Zu. Don't forget we are dealing with Dammah. Za, Z, Zu. Sa, Si, Su. Sha, Shi, Shu. Sa, Si, Su. Da, Di, Du. Ta, Ti, Tu. Va, Vi, Vu. A, Ui, U. Ra, Ri, Ru. Fa, Fi, Fu. Qi, Qu. Qa, Qi, Qu. Qa, Ka, Ku. Chi, Lu, La, Li. Mi, Mu, Ma. Ni, Nu, Na. Ha, Hu. Now you can see this place is different. Let's Ha Fatha, Ha. Ha Dammo Hu. Ha, Hu. He, Hu. Hu, Hu. Wa, Hu. We, Hu. Wu, Hu. Ya, You. He, You. You. Now let's begin with the two letter words in it. Two letter words. Suk. Sindomo su. Don't forget we're dealing with this sign, Dammah. This is Dammah also. This is Dammah also. Suqi, suqi. Duqa, duka. Du, suka, suka. Tuga, tugu. Tugu, tugu. Rozu, rozu. Quti, quti, quti. Anu, anu. Hiba, hiba. Ufu, ufu, ufu. Ro, u, ro, u. Quta, quta. Zu, qu, zu, qu. Vu, qu, vu, qu, vu, qu. Can these two, you can see the pronunciation is like the same, but it's not the same. This is zu, qu, zu, qu, vu, qu, and this is vu, 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 qu, vu, qu. Tell to, tell to, tell to, tell to. You are, you are. Zika, Rika, Rika, Rika. You can see in our next, this is just an introduction of Dammah. We will explore more as we begin how to pronounce Dammah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Don't forget to like and subscribe.